Hey everyone, good morning. Back to our scooty ride. So we have plans today of probably heading towards the rice fields, the coffee studio, and some waterfalls. We are pretty well rested today. We woke up very late, and we're gonna go have first breakfast because sleep and food is very important. So yeah, also this is my look. You get to see obviously on my Instagram. But yeah, and now we're leaving. No, we're not leaving this property, but this is the last day in this property. And yeah, let's go. I'll show you Scooty. This is the one. This is the baby. We're gonna be here. Hello. Streets are so beautiful. Look at the shop. It's called like the kite shop, guys. I mean, can you just see it? Wow. Oh my god. Ubud streets are so beautiful. I am not enough of them. What beautiful shopping, what beautiful vibes. Just see at these stores, guys. I mean, I'm obsessed. Like, really obsessed. Such beautiful stores. Hey guys, so I saw this place before coming. It's called Studio Perak, and what is so good about this store is they actually have classes here. They're gonna teach you how to make silver rings, okay, and also they actually take order. Like you can order anything or any design that you like of your choice, and then you can engrave your name on it and all of it. So yeah, no, I'm not getting done for myself. I can get this done even at in India. So yeah, but it's a beautiful silver store. This is how the store looks, Studio Perak. It's really nice. If you guys are interested in making a silver ring from Bali, probably you should get in here. Glassware, guys. Too many dream catchers, summer dresses, cats. I think by now you guys would have realized Bali Hinduism is one of the most prime religions that they follow, and everywhere around the street corners you're going to find Lord Ganesha, Lord Krishna, and many other Hindu gods around the streets. We still didn't reach. We're going to reach quick, but yeah, stop here for some petrol in our bikes, and they are heading to rice garden, rice fields.
We are in rice field.
Okay, so this is how it looks. This entire field, a rice plantation, and then at the end of it are these cafes and swings and all of it. So our next stop is Allah's Harum. It's again a rice plantation, and it is coffee plantation and few cafes here and there. Let's see how it goes. Got to buy the tickets first. Hey babe, I was out there. Guys, so we have come to Allah's Harum. I don't know why I'm so excited for this place, but this was in my again places to explore. So yeah, we are here. This is what we have. We're gonna go for coffee tour, animal feeding, glass flooring. Ooh, all of this looks so great. History of Luwak coffee. I'm just very scared, guys. So yeah, you guys can feed them. No, I want to feed them.
You will take the video.
Thank you. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Oh shit. Ow. This is scary.
Poop comes out from the
The poop, okay. Yeah.
This after cleaning.
Just a minute.
And this after open skin of coffee.
Okay.
And this the last bean ready to roasting.
So what is this basically?
So Luwak coffee is the most famous in Bali and one of the most expensive coffees as well. It is actually made by the animal that you saw is called luwak, and it actually, the coffee is made by its poop. Imagine that. But trust me, when we went to this place where they are roasting this coffee, oh my god, what yummy coffee this is. It just doesn't feel like it's poop, but definitely you want to taste the coffee. This is so... I wish you guys could smell this. It's delicious.
Yeah. This is a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
The first step is you roast them and then you grind them, and then this is the process. You sieve it and then the powder. Guys, if you could smell this, it's heaven, heaven, heaven. These are the different types of coffee, and this is a different type of teas, guys. I'm so excited to try. This one here is the most expensive one. This is the glass flooring, guys. The rice fields. Isn't it beautiful? There are swings, the rice fields, cafes. Guys, these are the different types of teas and coffee, and this is complimentary in Allah's Harum. You guys should taste these. All of us tasting the different coffees here. Guys, this is so yummy. Finished almost all the cups. All of them are so yummy.
5% maximum.
Guys, this is such a beautiful place. I'm loving everything about this place, especially I loved the coffee plantation. I mean, the coffee tasting that we did previous to this. Now we're just deciding on to like which activities to go for. There are way too many activities down there. There's swing, there's skyline, there's cycling skyline, there's zip lining. So yeah, we're deciding as to where to go, but this is such a beautiful place to be in. Also, there is a pool on the other end, which is amazing. I think we're gonna go there as well. Like the last thing would be to get into the pool. Yeah. We are going for cycling. We are going to cycling skyline. Getting ready, harnessing. So this looks very easy, but trust me, it is so scary. But also, one hell of an experience. So that's why Nitesh and me, like, we loved it actually. So we were exiting now. One of the most beautiful places, okay. Alas Harum is something that I would suggest you. Even before going to Bali swing or anything, you can directly come here because they have swings, they have rice terrace, they have coffee plantation, they have pool, they have all these activities that you saw, zip line and skyline and all of it. Imagine all of it under one roof. You can save like so much of time. Must visit, guys. We are heading towards a waterfall. It's called Manuaba Waterfall. Uh, See the way, guys. Isn't this amazing? The weather is so beautiful here. We have reached the waterfall. Ta ta ta. Manuaba Waterfall. Look at it. So when we reached here, we had to walk 800 meters again. I mean, we had to climb down 800 meters. And again, we couldn't find anybody here. So we were doubting if this is the right place. But of course, we were on the right path. We walked and then we found this beautiful waterfall. It was amazing. Again, if you like water and if you like nature and all of it, I think you must visit this place as well. Time for some spa. Food spa today. Crazy we could get this night. We traveled all the way back to Seminyak. It took us like around 2 hours, but we traveled only and only so that we could one last time party at Shishi again. And this is how our night ended. I really hope you liked that day. It was all about rice fields, waterfall, and partying and some spa. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And if you have any questions, please drop down a comment down and I shall get back to you guys.